Okay. Yeah. Today's topic is HTML elements. So what is mean by HTML elements? We will discuss in today's class. So yesterday we will discuss the complete what is meant by tags, then types of tags, then in the types opening tags is there, then close tags is there. In opening tags there is the paid tag is there, unpaid tags is there actually. So in paid tags further we have divided into different types like heading tags is there, formatting tags is there, and other tags. So today's class we will discuss what is meant by elements here. Okay, see guys. So elements nothing but the opening tag, elements nothing but the opening tag, opening tag, closing tag, and content. Okay, together called one HTML element. See guys, suppose here I'm taking as a one example. Okay, suppose here I'm taking as a one h1 tag. H1 tag inside that hello. Just I'm writing like this. See, so this is the opening tag and the closing tag. The opening tag and the closing tag and the content together called as a entire part we call as a one HTML element like this. HTML element. So this is the opening tag and the closing tag and the content together called as a that's one HTML element. So in HTML elements there are two types of they further divided into two types actually. So check it. You know what the types of HTML elements is there. See here heading types of HTML elements. Okay, see guys. So here we have majorly divided into two types actually. So one is the just a minute. Yeah. See. So one is the inline level elements. Nothing but you can do one thing. Inline level elements. Second one is the block level elements. Block level elements. We will discuss one by one. What is meant by inline level elements and what is meant by block level elements. See, the word will tell that is a inline. The word will to that is a inline level elements like that. So, for example, the elements which will consumes only the content width. It will not consume entire browser width. That's called as a inline level element. You can take one take a definition for the inline level elements. And level elements. Yeah. So the elements, well, any elements which will consumes only content width. Only the content width is called as a inline level element. Inline level elements, right? See, so here we check the some example for the inline level elements. Example, see. So all formatting tags, all formatting tags, all formatting tags for the one that is the span tag. So these are all the inline level elements. What are all these formatting tags we are discussing in yesterday's class? That are all inline level elements. See, suppose we are taking as a bold, this is a bold also inline level. I will give one example for the practically. See, so italic, emphasis, these are all the subscript, superscript. Next, emphasis is there. So many extra. These are tags or the semantic tags. Actually, these are all the inline level elements. We can do one thing. Yeah, we can check it in practically. See, yesterday we create one front end folder. Inside that, we need to open this one in VS Code. Guys, the command, if you want to open this folder in VS Code, just type a command code space dot. Okay, done. This is a yesterday class. Yeah. So create one home.html. Actually, we are creating yesterday. This is home.html. Remove this one. Just I need to create one more thing. What is that? Elements .html. Okay, done, guys. So inside that you can take a HTML boilerplate. Okay, done. So this is HTML boilerplate. We will discuss this one yesterday. Okay. Suppose I am taking as one paragraph. Paragraph is a block level element. Okay, leave it. So inside that, take one duplicate text. Nothing but lorem. So this is a duplication. It will generate the duplicate text. Okay. So in the lorem, I am taking as a one bold tag. Nothing but B tag. Okay, see. Inside that, I am writing a one word. Do one thing. Just write a turn on the live server. Okay, see guys. Just inspect here. Mouse over and over the mouse on that word. See, it show the bold like this. So bold, then color, then font, accessibility is there. So when we over that mouse here, it shows it will consumes only content with and the background color lo chudandi actually that's a blue color background color lo enta word undo anta matukume consume avutundi manaki. So దీన్ని inline level elements అంటారు. అంటే any elements that is a bold is a one element HTML element. It will consumes only content with. That's why it is called as a inline level element. So not only bold, you can check it here. Okay, you can do one italic tag. Take italic tag. See, italic is there actually. If you want to do one mark tag, means I need to highlight the text. Just a minute, guys. Mark tag. Yeah, paste it here. See, these are all the inline level elements. So you can check it here. So see, this is also inline level elements. You will consume only this word, na? So that's why. So this is also italic. Also, the all formatting, not only mark, then italic, emphasis. So all formatting tags are comes under inline level element. And some more thing is there actually. That is I will mention here. So one more thing, that is a span tag. This is a span tag also inline level elements. How we can check it, sir? See, when I write it here, span, inside that span, if value like this, you can do like this, or else you can keep some other way inside that paragraph. Okay, I need to keep this hello word inside that. Okay, see guys, over that mouse over that here, hello. See, this is also entire inline level element. Okay, while over the entire thing into, see, this is a paragraph. Paragraph is the block level element. Why, sir? See, it will consume entire block level, means entire browser width. This is a browser width actually. So it will consume entire width of the browser. So that's why this is called as a block level element. So you can take a definition for the block level element now. Second one is the block level element. block level elements. Take a definition. Any elements, or else the elements which will consumes entire width of the browser. Entire width of the browser. So that's why that elements we call as a that elements we call as a block level element. Block level elements. Here we can check the examples for the block level elements. Okay. So the examples of the block level elements, all heading tags. You can mention all heading tags is there, na? So in the pair tags, all heading tags is there actually. That all heading tags also block level elements. So while this is up to h1 to, here we have h1 to up to h6. These are all the heading tags, guys. So these are all the block level elements. We will give example for the block level element. Don't worry. Okay, see how we can check. After that, here div tag is there. One more thing. So div tag, div also block level elements. Then further all semantic tags is there. Semantic tags. We will discuss what is meant by semantic. Not an issue. Don't worry. Okay, these are all the block level elements. Okay, now we will check the example for that one. Then paragraph also, that is yeah, good. See, so paragraph also, that's a block level elements. Not only paragraph, actually some other tags is there actually. If you want to list the order list is a tag that is for the fuel, nothing but another list. Then description list, DL. So these are all the block level elements. So many exercises and most of them having block level elements actually. Okay, see. So how to check the back level elements? Suppose I am taking as a 1H1, see. Here I am taking as a heading 1. This is a heading 1. You can do like this. Actually, we need to format this thing. Format that's all. Okay, guys. Okay, see. It will align completely. Okay, done. So see, when I do this one, the heading 1 is not displayed in the beside of this word, means beside of the letter. ఇప్పుడు చూడు ఇక్కడకి ఎండ్ అయిపోతుంది నెక్స్ట్ దేర్ ఇస్ సమ్ స్పేస్ బిట్వీన్ ఇయర్ టు దే సో ఇక్కడే మనకి డిస్ప్లే అవుతలేదు హెడ్డింగ్ నెక్స్ట్ లైన్కే జంప్ అవుతుంది ఎందుకంటే బికాస్ ఇట్ విల్ కన్జ్యూమ్స్ ఎంటైర్ బ్లాక్ మీన్స్ ఎంటైర్ విడ్త్ ఆఫ్ ది బ్రౌజర్ సో దట్స్ వై సి వెన్ ఐ మోస్ ఓవర్ హియర్ నా సో ఇయర్ కన్జ్యూమ్ వర్డ్ ఈస్ కన్జ్యూమింగ్ లైక్ దిస్ ఓన్లీ హెడ్డింగ్ అని ఇక్కడ వరకు అంతే ఎండ్ అవుతుంది బట్ ఇట్ విల్ కన్జ్యూమ్స్ ఎంటైర్ విడ్త్ ఇంకేమన్నా నువ్వు సంథింగ్ ఏమన్నా రాసావనుకో లైక్ దట్ సి సపోజ్ ఇక్కడ ఏమన్నా రాస్తున్నావు ఐ థింక్ ఐఎమ్ రైటింగ్ ఎస్ ఏ heading 2 you can do like this heading 1 see so he heading 1 besides there is so much gap is there actually but it could display over the chudu it will display them below that line because endukante it will consume entire width of the browser so that's why this is the block level elements after that you can set the width of that by using css or else something use cheskoni manamu yeah width ane set chesukochu as per your convenient like that. Okay, these are all the block level elements. Well, come to paragraph. Now paragraph also block level elements. You can check it here. Okay, these are all the block level and inline level elements. You can do one thing. Okay, done. See guys. After that, here we have div tag, na. So you can check it in div tag also. Where is that div? Okay, you can do one thing. Div tag is there. Inside div, you can mention the lorem or else yeah. It's the duplicate text. That's enough. Or else you can do one thing. Remove this and add text to here. Okay, guys, you can check it here. Okay. The text will consume here only, but the width is the completely browser width. It consumes the browser width like this. Yeah, this is the block level elements. So that's enough, guys. This is about the elements. So after that, we will discuss the attributes. What is meant by attributes? What the purpose of using attributes? Now we will check it. Yeah, this is the HTML elements. Okay, thank you. We will continue next video.